What's happening? What's good, team? We back, guys. We are back, we are. Let's go, team. Confirm if you can hear me. Ima, okay, guys, we did try to fix the internet. Hopefully, it's better. I don't know. Hopefully it is better, bro. If not, I don't know, because we done everything possible. Let's go. We back up now. We're looking at gold. This break. Once we get that, it's gonna look clean, bro. Let's go, team. Confirm with me if you can hear me. Confirm with me if you can hear me, if you can see me. Let me know. We were battling with this Wi-Fi so long, bro. Me know, team. Can you hear me? Yes, sir, Maxime. Thank you, bro. Yo, bro, I'm struggling with network. I don't know, bro. I don't know, because the guy came, he even said he can even do some extra help so that I can get more better Wi-Fi, like, for the future, like in the next few days. But we were trying, bro. We done everything possible. Hopefully it still pushes. Hopefully it pushes, but if not, we will all push through it, because even for me it's tough. I can't really if the network is doing this. But yeah, let's work with what we have right now. Sometimes can't really, obviously, you know let's see how price is gonna do. I just wanna see what Nasdaq, gold is gonna do once we get here. We're gonna close above, or we're just gonna reject at these areas, and then yeah, man, we'll just see as we're building. So Nasdaq, we got here. I was looking forward to get here. Remember, We did get there, so let's see what's going to happen now. I'm not really going to rush any trades because I can see the market is very impulsive. Plus as well, these rejections that happen here could be price forming up for a big push to the upside. So I have to be very, very careful. You see with this one here too, price could still push a bit more higher somewhere here before we have a push to the down. Okay, this one here I see didn't really close above, but we did reject. Even here we had a rejection, so it could be coming up. So what I want now is for price to take out these lows and come back for them. You see these lows here. I can rush it and want to sell now. I can do that, but it's not gonna be nice. I'd rather wait for it, you know. So I want price now to come take out these lows. Sometimes it might not really do exactly how I want it, but I want it to come take out these lows, and then once it comes back, I'm gonna take a sell here, and then I'm gonna go down. See? Yeah, Nasdaq, we got into this area. Could be going down from here. So I'm not gonna try to rush a trade or anything. I'm working with the markets, bro. I'm not gonna rush anything. I can see right now we are at a very critical area. Nasdaq, gold, everything, bro. Perfect area to sell. But I just wanna come up with it, right? I don't wanna make silly mistakes. Yeah, I wanted to still push a bit more up till somewhere in here. I might respect these areas. Gold, I wanted to take those here and then come back up. Let's go, team. Let's see. So luckily, you see, I'm not rushing gold, because if I was out now, like let's just for instance say, oh, it's at the top, let me sell, and then right now I wouldn't be happy. So it's good that it's doing this, that it's doing, because it's forming that I want. If it, the more higher it goes, like you see, I was looking at this area, but if it goes up and does this is a low, bro. If it takes out this low, we're good, bro. This is what I wanted to see. Let's go with him. Yes. So you see, Nasdaq is still in a mess here. Gold is the one that's only looking like it wants to do something. So I wanted to break below here with gold. It's very like just break below. Once it breaks below, once it retests, I'm taking a sell. But I have to wait for that break. If I don't wait for it, then let's go, team. Yeah, man, this is what we do every single day. You guys can see, no matter what. The internet tried to stop us, but we didn't let it do that. You know, we still fought. I was going to say, nah, let's meet up tomorrow, 1, 2, 3. But we still fought. We still pushed it, you know. So, yeah, man, let's just keep our chin high. Let's just continue going. Obviously, guys, if you're new here, subscribe. If you want to learn, that's only if you want to learn. So let's see this one here. I just want to see if it's going to reject or what's going to happen. So right now I can see we are here at these levels. Let's just see, bro. Oh, yeah. You see, Nasdaq, I didn't sell it because yeah, you know, which is good. We focus on gold. Gold looks like it's the one that's gonna do its thing. Going in on gold. You have to look at where exactly do I want to put my stops, bro. Let's go, bro. We're trading our plan. You are right, bro. You are right. So let me just see where exactly is the best area for stops. Okay, see above here, above. Okay, right. Right, just here. Just somewhere here. Somewhere here. Let's do two somewhere here. Okay, I think that's what I want to target, bro. Let's see on this side here. Let's go, bro. Let's go, bro. Let's go, bro. If only it could just break below here. Break below here. Let's go team. Okay, this is my first trade for the day, bro. Yo, having to catch this on your own line wasn't easy. Let's just see how it goes. Obviously, guys, risk like, you know, you should not be copying my trade if you don't know what's going on. Like, you know, like this is not like a signal service or a copy my thing. This is literally if you wanna learn. Like if you wanna learn, you have to see, okay, this guy is entering here. Okay, I can see there's this two entered, there's a stop, there's this take profit. He's gonna run with it. If it hits stop loss, we'll see what happened. You know, how does he manage after like the stop loss? Is he gonna try to re-enter? Is he gonna and then if it goes to take profit, okay, what happened? You know, how can I learn from it? You understand? So it's not a thing whereby you should just wait. If I'm selling now, you are just coming, you wanna sell. So you're not gonna enjoy the markets because you'll take losses and you'll just be angry, not knowing what's going on. Because right here, I see we might go slightly more higher, but I would like for it to really break the lows here because it didn't. This is a risk entry that I took because we needed for it to break below the lows just to confirm. But I'm not gonna try to hold it, you know, like let's say for instance, like put a big stop loss. No, I think my stops is fine here. If it takes me out, I'll just look at, you know, what exactly is going on, what I can learn and things like that. Hopefully we see a push up here on the dollar index. If we see a push up, then it's gonna force gold to go down. So let's just see. Let's go team. Let's go. So I never got that breakout yet. I'm still waiting for the breakout. So the breakout is the one that's gonna like at least confirm both sellers trying to be strong. Let's see. Let's go team. Subscribe if you're finding value. Subscribe if you're finding value. We're doing this team. You guys can see everything is happening live. Wins, losses, lessons, big wins. The other day we caught like a 10x trade, bro. Like a trade that just went, and that was crazy, bro. But we caught it. It was us. So those things happen, you know, days where we catch trades like that, days where we take it easy, you know, and things like that. So yeah, man, subscribe, bro. Yeah, if you're here to learn, you're obviously gonna enjoy because you are gonna learn. Good. Blush buddy, yeah. Hopefully it plays out well. If it goes right now, it didn't really confirm anything. It's still risky, truly speaking. Didn't confirm anything. I just took a risk trade, you know, just because. But it didn't yet. But obviously, it's still part of my plan. But it didn't confirm yet. So when I say part of my plan, I mean I can take this trade, but it is a risk trade. You know, that's why I say it's a risk trade. So I take a risk trade intentionally. But for it to confirm what should happen, it must break below. Once it breaks below, that's where, you know, it's gonna confirm. But if it doesn't, it's still risky. That's what I'm hoping for. See gold there having this push up. Let's just see, bro. Okay, they didn't really break. You can see they didn't break yet, so that was a risk trade. It's going for my stop loss. It's going crazy, bro. Let me see. Did it take me out? Okay, it's still running. My network, what's going on? Yeah, this thing is breaking highs, bro. Now I'm gonna have to exit. Let me see, bro, what's going on? Yeah, guys, on my side, I am out. Your team, what's happening, guys? Can you see what's going on? Can you see what's happening? I don't know, the signal is saying that it's perfect, it's excellent, but I don't know, the charts keep on disappearing on my side. Can you guys see what's going on? Gold did not move too well. Guys, let me know if you can see me perfectly now. It's like the internet is back up. Let me know if you guys can see everything is clear. Nasdaq Brothers buy was gonna be clean in the morning, but stop loss was too big. Yeah, it's gonna be too big. Let me see gold. Gold already took me out. It had this big push to the upside. I wanna see because I had this area is where I want to press to have stops. I'm not too sure. Would it want to come in and then go down? Okay, I think now I'm gonna have to wait for like a low to be formed. Let's see, because the first one I rushed it, bro. The first one I think I rushed it, so I'm gonna have to wait for a low to be formed. Let's see. Yeah, this mess here, bro. Like I'm telling you here, I believed it was gonna drop, but I rushed it. Yo, bro, no. I don't. US 13. No, I'm not happy with it. Still gonna look at gold. Okay, let me just see what gold is gonna do. It might want to start dropping from here where it is, but I want to respect my plan in terms of it having to form the low, come back and then take it out. Like, let's say for instance, see now it formed this low, so now I'm waiting for it to break below. If it breaks below, that would be good. Then I'm gonna start looking for another sell. But if it doesn't, I'm not gonna force it. I'm not gonna look for any other more entries on it if it doesn't do what I want it to do. And then Nasdaq, let's see. Yeah, I think we are gonna be going to the bottom right now. Tosanya already done what I wanted gold to do in terms of the break. So I think I'm gonna start looking at Nasdaq. Maybe I might leave gold and focus on one more trade on Nasdaq. And if I take, like, if Nasdaq doesn't go well, I'll just take it as today is not really my day, At least I managed to protect the capital, and all that. It's not like I lost everything. So this one you would look good for. No, Nasdaq, we in. It's tricky, bro. Okay, gold is coming up. I'm already in on Nasdaq. Executed here exactly how I did say, ne? I waited for the price to break, come back, retest, the go down. So I don't know. Yeah, let's just see what it does. Nasdaq. Gold, I'm not too sure because I'm already in on Nasdaq. I'm not too sure if I am gonna still wanna play around on gold. Gold, same thing. You can see it's preparing for a break here at the bottom. So this entry here, I could have been patient and waited for this to happen and start looking for a sell here. But let's just see. I think now it's gonna go crazy. Let's see. There we go, Nasdaq, we're coming down. Let's go, team. Let's go, team. Let's go, team. Yo, bro. Please, bro. Blow out, bro. Okay, let's see gold. Gold is also gonna drop. But I must learn from it, right? You see it's dropping now. Yeah, so maybe after candle close, we shall see something. I'm not too sure if I should take it because I'm already in on Nasdaq. So I can't really do all these things. Yo, bro, this side we're already running 500. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Still going down. We see gold we broke below here, so higher chance we're gonna come test here and then go back down. And gold. Nasdaq, yeah, we're still coming, bro. Let's do this, team. Let's do this. Let's do this. VJ. See goldish. This gold, bro. Gold, I think we can learn from it. Like, I don't think it's gonna be wise of me to place another trade on it. The fact that I'm now running on Nasdaq, and I made a silly mistake, I must punish myself, right? Because this is where my entry would have properly been or needed to be. But because of me being impatient, yes, I would have to suffer my consequences, which is, if the trade plays out, I missed out. So I'll just look at Nasdaq for now, just look at Nasdaq, see if maybe it can do wonders. Because with Nasdaq, truly speaking, as much as it looks like it's coming, this 1:2, this would be good if it just comes here, truly speaking. But bro, I'm looking at it coming to take these lows because I'll try to manage it till it gets there. But if it doesn't, also it's okay. It was a run. Let's see. So hopefully this 5-minute candle closes below. Remember, everything is via candle. I'm using candlestick to direct me. So this rejection is not what I wanted to see. I wanted this 5-minute candle to actually close below. And right now it is rejecting. Let me see what US 500 is doing. And there is potentials of it still going. Let's see. Nasdaq. I don't like this, bro. See candlestick, we needed it to close with the bearish, and right now you can see what it's doing. I don't really like this, bro. Today if both Nasdaq and gold does its thing, I'm telling you, bro, it's not a good day for me. I must just accept it. Let's see, gold is coming. Let's see Nasdaq. Okay. I don't like this big push upwards here. It's not really good, bro. Candlestick by candlestick. Every candlestick matters, bro. Every candlestick matters, bro. And right now, these bullish candlesticks is not what I want to see. I don't like this. Your team, comment if you here, bro. Comment if you here. Say I'm here, bro. Let me see. Feels like I'm by myself here, bro. Comment if you here. I wanna see. Let's go, team. Nice one. You here, brother? Perfect. Let's go. Okay, Nasdaq is coming back down here. It's not nice, bro. Like it wasn't nice profits, and then it shot back up, and then now it's back at. I'm sure it's close to N3, back at N3 somewhere there. Okay, we're coming now on Nasdaq. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Okay, yeah. We're coming. Let's take out those lows, bro. Let's take out those lows, bro. Nasdaq, please do your thing. Okay, Nasdaq, there we coming. We here, bro. Yeah, bro. Let's go, bro. Subscribe if you're not, bro. Subscribe if you're not. We're doing this. We're doing this. We're doing this. We actually left with, it's funny, we left with how many? 17 subscribers to hit 299,900. 299,900. Let's go for it. Let's see candle close. Okay, I like how right now it came back in structure. Obviously this big bullish candle was not nice, but now with this bearish it came back. So it's okay, you know, the market, you can still shoot back up, you know, all those things can happen, but right now it's moving well. So hopefully it just continues to shoot all the way down till like maybe take profit or something, so at least the young brother can, you know, call it a day session, whatever, bro. But we're running. It's failing to break here at the bottom. It is failing to break. Let's go, team. What's happening? Ima Ronin. Hope you're doing well. Okay, guys. I hope this thing just plays out, bro. I don't know. I just hope it plays out. I miss you, bro. Nice one, bro. Let's go for it. We're breaking there, we're breaking there, we're breaking there, we're breaking there, we're breaking those lows. Let's see, candle close below, bro. Well, let me look at gold. I forgot that I was looking at gold. Yeah, gold. Okay. Let's see, team. Let's see, team. Let's see, team. Currently looking at Nasdaq. Bro. Yeah, it just needs patience, this one. Yeah. Hopefully it breaks below here and then it rallies down. It's failing to break those lows there, which is not what I would love to see. US 500, we're still having this. Hopefully we don't go up here. We just continue to go down, because if we go up, it's not going to be nice on Nasdaq. Which I just don't like the fact that it's failing to break these lows here. So let's go, bro. USDT. Did you win on it? Rory, did you check it? Did you win on it? Did you execute? Because with me, it's not really respecting the way that I see it, so I just decided to not look at it because it's gonna take a lot of my time, truly speaking. Sometimes you can just yeah, if it takes me out, bro, it's okay. I understand. I'll just understand that it's not really ready because, truly speaking, it was supposed to break below here. The fact that it's not, maybe it could be that it's not really ready. So I must not force it. Forcing it would be, nah, it has to sell no matter what. And then I don't know, doing maybe going hard. I don't even know doing what, but I'm just gonna like leave it as in like run with it. So it's either it goes out, takes me out stop loss, or it's either it's gonna go straight to take profit. But whatever it is, I've got my stop loss down. Let's go, team. Let's go, team. Yeah, we're managing right now. It's just managing, bro. Hopefully we break below those lows, bro. On this one here, Nasdaq, bro. Nasdaq. Gold, we might still come here and then go down, but I'm not really gonna entertain it for now. I just wanna pay attention to Nasdaq. I already took a trade on gold, so I don't wanna like take too many. I think 2 for me is perfectly fine in a day. 2 trades are perfectly fine because whether it's 2 wins or 2 losses or 1 win, 1 loss, it's perfectly fine for a day's worth of a session. Because if I don't know when to call it quits, then obviously I'll call it quits only when I lost everything. So I teach myself to just be able to stop, even if I see some like, oh no, it looks like it's gonna be active today. Like this one here, I just don't like the fact that it's not breaking those. So if it breaks the high, obviously if it breaks the high, there's no other way. It's not like the market hates us or anything. You can see it showed us like it failed to break first, failed to break second, so it built those double bottom. Normally it has to come take it out, but if it breaks above, it means that we had this resistance, and we broke above, which means that it might go out and take stops. It might, you understand? And if that happens, I can't really move my stop loss up and say, oh, I don't want it to hit me, or move it here. It's perfectly fine where it is. And I can't really move it here as well because it might still, you understand? So I just have to wait, hold it out, which is not nice because obviously you see it's giving me profits, losses, profit, entry, break even, profit, break even. So yeah, man, just wanna go get something at the back. Give me a second. Okay, let's go. Now 9 p.m. we have those Trump. 9 p.m. we have Trump speaking. So I just wanna make sure I'm out by then. Let's see. Let's go, team. Let's see candlestick if it's gonna close below. Hopefully, nice one though. Yeah, we had a candle close below. Now it's just I think I'm just gonna move it to break even. Right here. Because I wouldn't want it to test these lows and then go back up, you see. So I'm just gonna move it to break even, so if it goes up, at least like I don't take loss. I can say maybe let me take profit now, 1 2 3, but that will just be based upon fear, not my actual plan. So let me just wait for it, move it to break even. Yo, bro, this is not good. It's coming back in. So it looks like it is respecting maybe this area here. So yeah, if it does go up, I can see 1 minute close, it closed massively. If it does go up, I would understand that, it's okay. I have break even here. So yeah, man, let's just see. It could be respecting this. You can see this area here, support area respected. So if it goes up, that means that it was respecting it. Could have been like a nice buy area. But because I was looking for those sells and more power to the downside, obviously I just still wanted this trade to run. So I could have took profits here maybe, but because of this break and I was waiting for this break, I still believed in this sell. Let's see, what is 1:2, 1:2. Yeah, but let's just see. And one thing that I wouldn't really like is it might take me out and still go down. Like, let's say if it takes me out, it might still, like later though, like Asian session or like, throughout the hours, like when Trump speak later on. But I wouldn't really want to be involved in the markets at those times. So yeah, 5 minute candle is not good. I didn't want a big bullish back in structure like this. I was actually expecting price to go back up. So yeah, it looks like it might take me out, bro. Let's go, bro. Watch how we're looking at it. I just don't like how it's going down, and I don't like this mess that it's doing here. You see here, like you see a lot of mess, bro. Because once it gets out of here, it's gonna like either shoot up or shoot down, right? Like what I mean, it's either gonna shoot, like, or it's either gonna, let me see. So right now, unfortunately, we are a part of this, and what sucks about it is how I locked in profit, because I wouldn't want to give back, if it does go up, especially if it respects this buy. So I'd rather be on the safe side, but it might even just come take me out and then go. Maybe then it does this the whole night, which is still okay. I wouldn't want to be involved in a trade that does that. Like, I really want, like, when I'm in a trade, bro, it must just, like how it went down here when it broke here. Yeah, it can come to retest here, but like, like a move, bro. Not back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Yes, 100. I like the fact that we broke below here, and we broke below, we came back to retest. So we're still going down, but we might maybe push up. Yeah, that might influence Nasdaq. But let's just see, bro. Let's go. Oh, nice libro, like a libro. We're still running here, at least over 500. Still locked in here at break even. So yeah, hopefully, bro, just gonna be patient. I can just say, oh, let me close now because but remember, just holding on. Now I'm trading my plan here. I'm not trading the monetary value. I'm trading my plan. I don't like these rejections it's doing, bro. I'm thinking of gold. Gold looks like it might, set up for something like this. Not too sure. Let's go, team. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, guys. We're doing this. You can see it's happening in life. Everything's happening in life. It's not financial advice. Those literally just us being involved in the markets, guys. If you're new, make sure that you subscribe, like this video as well. If you're finding value, let's go, team. We've been running on gold. Nasdaq now, looking at it, and just wanted to break below. Currently running at over 1% in profits. I locked in profits at also break even. So yeah, it's a risk-free trade, but obviously we're trying to make the most out of it. So yeah, let's go. So you see now it's failing to break here at the bottom. It is failing to break. I see a lot of rejections and back and forth. So if it does go up, higher chance it might take me out. But if it breaks, that's going to be good. And I'm hoping for that break right now. I can say, okay, maybe it can go up, take me out, and then go back, which is true. It can actually go up, take me out, and then go down. Like let's say, yeah, and then go down. But that'll mean that if I say so, I must move my stop loss from break even. I must put it like somewhere here. And if I do that, then maybe let's say for instance it goes up, then it takes me out, then now I would have lost. Imagine going from holding profits like $600 a year to losing. It's better to at least just go out with break even. Like break even is better than a negative, because you can still come back the next day. But with a negative, then the next day when you come back, lesser account. Yeah, you see this candle closed above here, so it might still go up. Yeah, see. Yeah, I don't think there's too much selling power. So it might take me out at break even, bro. It's literally close to my stop loss. Yeah, it took me out. It took me out at break even. Yeah, bro. I think I'm going one last trade on gold, yeah. So if I took a negative on gold, I took break even on Nasdaq. I don't know. Let's go. Yeah, man. Daba, Aaron. No worries, dog. It's coming back very sure we want it. Yeah, hopefully we'll just see where this one is gonna go. You see, luckily with how I managed it, I feel like I should be happy because I was sad with, like, obviously the fact that I was running at massive profits. Yeah, I don't know, but with the break even is perfect. Cause see, if I never took it at break even, look, bro. Yeah, it might come back down and all that, but like right now it'd be at, bro, like negative, massive. So yeah, there were Sonia wanted to tap. Okay, I got activated. Let's go, team. Hopefully this is my last trade for the day. This one year gold. 3 trades max. 1 negative, 1 break even. So yeah. Yeah, bro, I'm in now. Let's see. Let's go, team. Last trade of the day. Hopefully something happens. Let's go, team. I think from now, it's gonna be smarter to stay away from the markets because Trump is gonna be speaking later on, 9 p.m. South African time. So yeah, man, the goal is now I just wanna see how this trade is gonna go, and then from there, let Trump do his thing, bro. Because the market is looking clean, I won't lie, but I just think maybe it's too low volume because you can see there's no news, things like that. So I feel like that's why these setups are playing the way that they did. Like even gold yesterday, you guys saw it played. We held it for too long in profits, up until it ended up like just switching up, like in terms of. But I took profit at maximum. I think it's because thankfully the stream I have cut off and my network was bad, so I was like, nah, it's not safe for me to trade during this condition, so I just closed profit. But if maybe I was still on the stream, maybe I was still gonna hold it out, and it went again, like it switched up and it started going back up. So it was gonna be maybe something, I don't know. Let's go. We're still live on the stream. You can simply see this is happening all live, and we did take the first trade today. Let me see, what was it? Nasdaq? No, it was gold. We took the first trade on gold. Yes, right here you can see I was looking at the sell and price happened to it. It was gave some bit of hope, and then eventually it went out, took me out stop loss here. So it's okay, I took it, I understood it. I saw this nice one where price came lower low lower high. This is what I wanted to see here, so I rushed it. But now lower low lower high, lower low lower high, so I wanted it to test in this area. Then I took this sell, hoping for it to come down, stop loss just above. If it takes me out, it's okay, done for the day, because already it's one negative. This is the one that's currently running. Plus as well, we took a trade on Nasdaq. So Nasdaq caught it here, somewhere here, went down with it, went down. It was massive profits here. I just moved it to break even, and you can see, luckily, because I moved it to break even, it took me out at break even. Otherwise, I was gonna give back like basically full loss. You know, you can see where the stop loss was. It was gonna actually take me out, so it was gonna be sad. But I'm glad with the way that was managed. So yeah, right now only hope is gold. Let's just see what happens with gold. Last trade for the day though. So yeah, with the dollar index, if we can break above here, bro, like above here, that's where we're gonna see gold also skyrocketing downwards. Let's go. Let's go, team. Let's go. We're doing this. You can see, bro. Yeah, bro. Right now, gold is our only last hope. But I won't lie, I just like how the market is showing setups. It's showing nicely in setups. You know, these setups, I'll take them anytime. It's just the fact that no volume, no volume at all this week. I feel like it makes sense for also the results to be the way that they are in terms of trades just not hitting take profits and things like that. So because of that, I must not really like, feel like it's the setup or it's this. No, it's just no volume, bro. So, but at least I show up, at least you show up. The most important is showing up, because you need to learn all market conditions. You need to learn, okay, this is what happens when there's no volume, and trade it, So I'm experiencing it, yeah. This one, yeah, didn't really break above. I wanted it to break above. Hopefully, if it comes back up and break above, we might see gold doing its thing. But if not, if dollar index just goes down, then higher chance that gold is gonna go up. So Nasdaq. Nasdaq can still, it has potential to go down, but I'm not gonna take it no matter what. Gold. Not really that confident on the gold sells anymore, and just because of this bullish candle close, if maybe it rejected or like a bearish candle came back with like strong momentum, it was gonna make sense. But the fact that there's no bearish strong candle, I don't know, I'm not confident. Might still go up. So I might just try to, like, let's say for instance say that, okay, no, I'm not happy, let me just close small loss here, or I may just leave it. But with me, I'm okay with the risk because it's not like, you know, it's okay. It's perfectly fine. I'm okay with, like, stop loss being hit. Let's go, bro. Let's go, team. We just hit 299, 900 subscribers on YouTube. So we left with, like, 100 more to be on 300. Let's go. Let's go, Coops. Let's go, bro. Thanks. Thank you so much, bro. Thank you so much. Highly appreciate this, brother. Highly appreciate this. Let's go. Bro. Doesn't want me to comment. Let's go, team. Now the goal is for it to break below here. Away, Muzi, what's happening, bro? Rory, management, that's true, brother. Management. Just have to wait and see, you know, having to wait it out. So this one here, I must also be careful in terms of, because it might still get here maybe, and then respect. But the best case scenario is so let's go, bro. We're just gonna have to wait it out, nothing more, nothing less. Can't do anything, bro. I'm so tired, yo. Let's go, team. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Let's go, team. Let's go. Let's go, team. Running now, staring at gold. We're looking at it with our eyes, bro. Whew. Hopefully something happens on gold. Let's go, bro. We're staring at it, bro. We're staring at it. We're staring at it. Yeah. This could be seen like a breakout and a retest. So maybe now we might see that drop, and it could be forming also some sort of like, So hopefully it doesn't break above. Let's see. Yeah, Khotso Joseph. I see you said buys. I hope that you caught it, bro, because that's the whole point, bro. If you see buys, you must buy and catch those buys. If I see sells, I must sell and catch the sells. Remember, the goal is not to catch every buy or every sell. The goal is to trade your plan. Umar. Let's go. Yeah, we're here to grow, learn, be involved in the markets day in, day out. So we have to stick to the mission no matter what. Let's see what Nasdaq is doing. I think Nasdaq a buy here was gonna be nice, bro. I could have seen that, okay, there's not much volume, took profits. I don't even know. Let's go with him. Let's go. We're still running. We're still checking. We're still working with this, bro. Still observing, bro. Let's go, team. This is testing our patience. But yeah, man, we're still patient no matter what, bro. We'll hold it out. We'll hold it out. We're not scared of it. Whatever outcome it is, it makes us stronger. It makes us braver. It makes us wiser. So yeah, man. No, I believe, let's see, still running. Yeah, bro. It's it's so close to my stop loss. I won't lie. Look at it, bro. So close. Might take me out. I don't know. Right now, my heart is not even here anymore. I'm thinking, let's see. Still running, yeah. So close. I'm not confident because it closed above here. You see, this closure above. Not really confident over it. So honestly, I feel like it will just hit those stops. If it does come back down, obviously, I would be happy, I'd be excited, but I was not expecting this. Let's see. Because thing is, here at the bottom, I can see there's not really any massive selling power. So this week, I think it's just me having to understand that, I'm trading against where there's no volume. So that's why it's back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, right? But it's okay. We're learning throughout the cycle. We get to see it too. Maybe we might end the week throughout the cycle, and then next week start afresh. We'll see what happens. Yeah, I think this took me out of my CFDs. This is where I have my stop loss. So I think this idea I am just gonna close it instead of having to let it get here. I'm just gonna let me just put it because my stop loss. Let me just see. Stop losses should be. Yeah, it took me out on my CFD, so it means the stop loss is somewhere here. Somewhere here. So I'm just gonna put it here like this, yeah. Because on my CFD, it already took me out, like on the CFDs. Means my stop loss was actually here. Yeah. took me out here. I don't think it's gonna recover. It might do maybe those recovery around Asian session. But for now, it was a nice run. I won't lie, it was a good run. Taught me a lot. Have to come back tomorrow for the next day, fresh, clean, everything. So I'm gonna call it as like trades for the day. Let me just see tomorrow. Tomorrow we have unemployment claims. Not really much going on, just this, Friday. And Friday you see not that much going on, but we might see maybe volume tomorrow much better than now. Hopefully, we get to see that. Oh yeah, I forgot that I didn't close. I just put it here where, let me just do. It'll be funny if it runs. I might just close it here to say that let me reduce the risk. Yeah, bro, that's true. We will come back stronger. Okay, luckily it's coming back, bro. Okay, let's see. I think I'm just gonna close it with small loss instead because it was supposed to be massive. Let's see. Closed. At least I didn't close it like it wasn't a full 1%, whatever the case is. Let's see, I'm still managing it. Looking at it. Yeah, I just went out, yeah. Yeah, I just went out. So at least like on this account, on the futures, on the other accounts, obviously it hit me stop loss here at the top, so I can't really avoid that. But on this account, luckily, it didn't because I had the stop here, so I moved it and it went down. So I was like, so instead of hitting me stop loss of like $700 here, I just closed it at like maybe 200, like $180. So this one here was properly managed. Obviously, I could have tried to hold it and see it going down and all that, but I feel like it was gonna be unfair because it's an invalid trade, which means that it's a trade that already is out, because stop loss was here, through the speaker. Take profit was here. Yeah. So yeah, team. You guys saw it. I think this one here we're still gonna drop. We might see that drop. We might see it dropping going down, which would be a lesson as well. But I'm glad that with gold as well, because you see with Nasdaq, if I forced it and I didn't wanna, like with the profits that were running here, I didn't lock it in, it was gonna be a negative. You see, so I was gonna have like 3 negative trades today, which is not gonna make sense. So Yeah, let's just see what's happening with gold. I think it's gonna break out now. Trump is going to speak at 9 p.m. South African time, so that's also something that, if someone is going to be trading later on, you just have to be on the lookout for that. I think on my side, I'm going to call it a session now. We can meet up tomorrow. Same place, same time, team. Let's go. Let's do this. For today, not a good day for me, but good day in terms of I was able to stick to the plan. Didn't do anything stupid, like didn't revenge trade or over risk or whatever the case is. So I'm still okay. It's just obviously the market didn't really do well. So yeah. So yeah, we still. Now I just wanted to see. Win, win, win. We did win. We did win. We did win. Yeah, it's still playing. I thought maybe I would see it be in action. We'll just look at it tomorrow in terms of being able to see where did it go, or what happened, and then we can learn from it. Just like this one here, this one yesterday's trade, this one here where we came back today, and then we looked at what happened, where did it go, and luckily this one here I managed to also show that I was out. I exited it somewhere here. So yeah, we'll just look at this one in terms of how it ended up playing out tomorrow. But at the same time, yes, it was a great learning experience, even for me. I'm seeing a lot with the market. I'm learning something about, like, with less volume. That's like, that's the one thing that I'm learning. So yeah, I could say that there's no volume and not trade. Like, let's say, take it easy, not trade up until there is volume. But then if I don't trade, I'm missing out on my edge. The more I trade, the more I practice my edge, the more I get to see certain things, the more I learn. So yeah, that's the whole goal. But I'm happy that you guys are learning too. We're all learning here, we're all growing, we're all developing. I wonder where, if we just do this consistently, just imagine how we keep showing up just like this every single day. If we do this consistently, like even if it's for like 6 months, like end of the year, imagine how far we'd be, skill wise, more understanding and all that. But I'm telling you, high chance that I'll even, like, start thinking of retirement or something. But I'll be selling gold now. Yeah, man. We'll see tomorrow how it went. You should enjoy it, bro. You should enjoy it. You should enjoy it. If it goes down well, bro, your profits are our profits. We happy, bro. We'll be proud for you. We are gonna be proud for you. And yes, I see it looks like it will be dropping, going down. It's just that right now I'm not happy with the market conditions. Like, they're not really moving and all that. So I know that it might even, maybe even, type thing. So that's why I'm not really gonna be involved in it. But I'll see tomorrow if it does go and he take profit. It's gonna be a good one. We'll learn from it, But yes, team, do have a good afternoon, good evening, and yeah, whoever is looking at gold, you can still go, because I think even me, when the session is done, I think I'm still gonna be looking at it. I just wanna see what's gonna happen. But yeah, you guys should enjoy it. Most importantly, remember, here we're trading, we're enjoying, we're having fun. This, you can see, it looks like a break to the bottom and a retest. So Yeah, it is. It's not really, truth speaking, gold when it moves down, it has to move more than what it's doing now. So there's not much volume. You can see it is going down, yes, but not too much volume. So it's not really interesting. I thought it would show something. But yes, team. Thank you guys so much for pulling through. Let's meet up tomorrow, same place, same time. See you guys. There's videos that are gonna be pulling up later on. You must check it out. Let's go, team. Thank you so much for pulling through. To all members that did,